Hi everyone, I am Arindam Konar, and welcome to my channel, Tegniese Leiding. Today I am going to be talking about artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that is having a major impact on many different industries. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic the cognitive functions of a human, such as learning and problem solving. Artificial intelligence is used in a wide variety of applications, including self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and fraud detection. How does artificial intelligence work? Artificial intelligence works by using algorithms to process data and make decisions. These algorithms are trained on large amounts of data, which allows them to learn and improve over time. What are the different types of artificial intelligence, AI? There are many different types of artificial intelligence, AI, but some of the most common artificial intelligence, AI, are machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data, and they use this data to learn how to perform tasks. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a type of AI that allows computers to understand and process human language. NLP is used in a variety of applications, such as speech recognition, machine translation, and text analysis. Computer vision. Computer vision is a type of AI that allows computers to see and understand the world around them. Computer vision is used in a variety of applications, such as self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and medical image analysis. What are the benefits of artificial intelligence, AI? AI has many benefits in our daily life, which are improved efficiency. AI can help businesses to automate tasks, which can save time and money. Increased accuracy. AI can be used to make more accurate predictions and decisions. Improved customer experience. AI can be used to provide personalized customer service and recommendations. New product development. AI can be used to develop new products and services that meet the needs of users. What are the challenges of artificial intelligence, AI? The following challenges of artificial intelligence, AI, are bias. AI algorithms can be biased, which can lead to unfair decisions. Privacy. AI can collect and use a lot of data, which can raise privacy concerns. Safety. AI systems can be hacked or malfunction, which can cause harm. How is AI used? AI is being used in a wide variety of applications such as machine learning is used in spam filtering, fraud detection, and image recognition. Natural language processing is used in machine translation, speech recognition, and text analysis. Computer vision is used in self-driving cars, facial recognition, and medical imaging. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are powered by AI. AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, improve customer service, personalize advertising, automate tasks, and create art and music. The future of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is a rapidly growing field, and it is expected to have a major impact on the world in the years to come. AI is already being used in a variety of applications, and it is only going to become more ubiquitous in the future. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about AI. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and other interesting topics. Thanks for watching.